In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how I earned $3,321.24 with affiliate marketing on ClickBank this week. This right here is my Payoneer dashboard, which is the payment gateway I use on ClickBank, where I get paid all my ClickBank affiliate commissions. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how I made passive income on ClickBank, and this will be complete autopilot. So you don't have to actually go and cold sell these products. It's a really unique way of kind of like giving free value and then getting ClickBank sales through that. So that makes this far more higher converting because people like free stuff. You don't need to show your face in YouTube videos. We're not going to be creating any content or recording any videos for YouTube or anything like that. And you don't need any skills or technical abilities, as I'm going to show you in this video each and every step that you need to get results and to make money online with this. So if you watch this until the end, each and every step, and you decide to take action, you will get results from this. This is free to do. I don't use any paid ads for this. I use active time, free strategies, and I don't need to invest into any paid ads. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. My name is Jay, and I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing stores. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 profits in 2020 alone. On this YouTube channel, I'm uploading daily videos, daily free courses, free crash courses on how I'm making money online so that you can get exclusive insights into what I'm doing, lots of free knowledge, free giveaways, so that you can hopefully get some results as well. So if you want to get a free daily course, a free daily video on how I'm making money online, definitely go down below to this channel and make sure that you subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I do so. And quickly, if you guys want to see what I do full-time off of YouTube, it's a concept called drop servicing, very new, very similar to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping physical products and goods, we are now drop shipping rare high income skills and services. So they pay much more markup, revenue is about profits is about 200 to 300%, much more than that of drop shipping, pays out much faster, and I find drop servicing much easier to scale than drop shipping. So on this page over here, I have a 26-minute training on exactly what drop servicing is, all $19,000 worth of bonuses included in my drop servicing expert bootcamp, and results of my top winning drop servicing stores from the knowledge I've used in my drop servicing bootcamp. This bootcamp contains years of knowledge and experience that I've used over the years, over the months, to personally generate about $10,000 to $40,000 per month selling these high income skills without actually doing the work yourself. You're kind of like the man in the middle, keeping huge profits in the middle. So if you want to get this 25-minute free training, definitely go down below to the first link in the description. You'll see me over here and I explain everything about drop servicing. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this video. Alright guys, so we're now on the first platform that we're going to be using to make this passive income online. This website right over here, make sure to keep watching, I'm going to reveal it just in a bit, is a fairly new platform that is getting a lot of traffic right now. And this is a website that you can use to turn your audience into a business. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income with this without any audience at all. And this website is really interesting, and it's 4 simple steps on how you make money with this. So all you're going to do is, step number 1 is you're going to create unique, simple content. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can go and create these done for you articles. So this does not include video content. This is article written content, but I have tools for you that is going to do this for you. So you don't need to sit down or type any kind of article yourself. Make sure to keep watching because this is really cool and you don't want to miss that. And then all you do is you attract a loyal audience through this website. So instead of spending tons of money on paid ads, your article is going to get a lot of traffic for you. You can either offer some premium membership, an affiliate product, or whatever it is, and you can earn a recurring subscription and passive income from that. And you can also build relationships with people on this website to make even more passive income down the line. But make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you the exact product, exactly how I set this up to make over $3,000 in a week with ClickBank affiliate marketing products. So all you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here called ghost.org. You're going to click on start free trial over here that lasts 14 days. But don't worry, we're going to make money from this within these 14 days. I myself have used the 14-day trial as well. But just to quickly show you more details on this website. So I quickly ran like a background check on this website and it is blowing up right now. It is currently the 132,000th biggest website in the world, so it's not oversaturated, but it's also not undersaturated. It hits that sweet spot. Also, it's currently nearly the 2,800th biggest website in its category. It is currently getting over 302,000 views and clicks and visits every single month, which is a lot of traffic. Now we can go and get a piece of this pie, and as you can see, it's getting traffic from top tier countries such as United States, China, Germany, United Kingdom, India. These are top tier countries that have money, first world countries that are ready to spend and invest their money into different affiliate products for personal benefits or whatever they are looking for. The nice thing about this is you are going to attract an audience that is specifically looking for your product. And once you've signed into your free trial account, over here you'll see you can create new posts, schedule posts, and you can also view your live posts. Over here you want to click on the plus sign for new posts, and you want to go and create your title and begin writing your post. And what we need to go and do is we need to go and create attractive winning articles on ghost.org that people will click on. And that's actually really easy to do. So I'm going to choose a niche. You can literally choose anything, but I'm going to choose the make money online niche, specifically all about drop shipping. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to ClickBank and we're just going to type in drop shipping on the search bar. You're going to click on search over here, and over here you can see a drop shipping course that's all about drop shipping, and you're going to earn $92.22 per sale. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can use my course as well if you'd like to. You can click on the affiliate program over here at the bottom of this website. That's the first link in the description. Click on affiliate sign up, click on free sign up or sign in, type in your email. Once you've signed in or signed up, click on access your account over here, and over here if you click on my link, you can see your affiliate links to this course. And with this particular affiliate program, you're going to get 30% direct referral commissions, which is about $112, and also 10% tier 2 commissions, meaning if you refer someone to the course and they refer someone, you get 10% of all their referrals as well. Over here you can keep your affiliate link. This is a good affiliate program to use for this as well. And what we want to go and do is we then want to keep this open in a new tab, and what we want to do is we want to keep this affiliate link open in this tab. And you want to type the following into Google. This is how we are really going to find winning articles on the concept of drop servicing. So over here, you can just type in site:/medium.com drop servicing, which is probably the biggest article website right now. So we can go and get influence from those winning articles on medium.com to use on our ghost.org page. So over here, you can see drop servicing, the new online business trend, how to start drop servicing, and what is drop servicing, the best free course. So let's open these two over here. You can see these are really good articles on drop servicing already. This one over here as well, how you can get started. It is a really good full drop servicing article on how you can get started with drop servicing. What you can also do is you can come over to Quora.com and just type in drop servicing, and we can go and get information from Quora to build our articles as well. So over here you will see what is drop service, what do you need to do to start a drop shipping business, how do I find clients for drop servicing, how do I promote my drop servicing business for free. So over here is tons of article ideas from other people that are posting on Quora that we can go and get influence from to build our articles. So over here you can see hello, drop servicing is a business model where you sell services, however you are not the one who will do the service. So this is a great idea to use for your drop servicing article to get tons of affiliate commissions. So now that we've got enough information on drop servicing and successful existing drop servicing articles already, we can come back to our ghost article over here and we can type something like this: how to get started with drop servicing, the best 6-figure drop servicing course. And then you can put in brackets, is drop servicing a scam? Why you want to do this is because you want to perhaps ask a question in the title of your article, because it gets people to click on it. People want to go and answer that and see, is drop servicing a scam? They will then click on this article to obviously find out about that, and that's where they see your article, see all your affiliate links, and they will learn more about drop servicing, and that's how you can convert your articles into affiliate commissions. And for the body of our article, what we can go and do is we can literally go and read influence from these articles. For example, we can take, let's say, this article over here, how to get started with drop servicing. Over here, we can copy this first introduction article over here. we want to come over to a tool called Spinbot, which will take this winning article and put it in our own words. So what we want to do is we're going to click on I'm Not a Robot, click on Go over here, and over here you can see this has now created this entire article into our own words. So we can go and copy this, paste this over here, and you can see there's our introduction. And over here we can go and use more information over here. What is drop servicing? So we can copy this, right click copy, come over to Spinbot, repaste this over here, and click on I'm Not a Robot again, and click on Go. And over here you can continue to use this tool, so we can copy this over here and come over to our article over here and paste this here. And we can keep building our article throughout this using the Spinbot tool, and then we can come back over here, copy our affiliate link, come back to ghost.org over here, and we can pretty much highlight text throughout this article and paste our affiliate link. And what you can also do is you can come over to the actual drop service expert website, and you can go and use all the text and information from this website as influence in your article. You can show results from other students, what's in the curriculum, and you can go and use that to build your article. Then what you want to go and do is, once your article is built with all your affiliate links, come over to this website over here. It's called toppubs.smedia.com. Over here, you can go and find other websites in the article writing category, such as the startup, mission.org, towards data science, personal growth, hackernoon.com, startup grind, and you can go and post all these articles on all of these websites to get as much as traffic as possible to your affiliate links. Over here, you can see I can literally keep scrolling forever and ever and ever. Even here, it's refreshing more pages, and these are all article websites that you can go and publish your article onto besides ghost.org and gain even more traffic from there. So this video basically just explains pretty much how you can go and do article writing using this done for you Spinbot tool full time. So all you do is, for example, you go to mission.org over here, and you can go and post your own articles just like this. Like these guys are posting podcasts, you can also go and post your own articles. Come back to this website, you can go and search, for example, the Coinbase blog, Better Humans, Twitch blog, the Washington Post, and go and post on all of these websites. You can pretty much copy and paste your own article that you've created on ghost.org because it is your own article. But guys, what I'm going to do is, on the screen over here, I'm going to leave a quick crash course on how I made over $400 per day using JV Zoo products and promoting affiliate products there. So in this video, it will teach you exactly what I did to achieve this $400 plus per day and scaled to more than that. But also don't forget that 25-minute free training on my drop servicing bootcamp. It will really help you a lot and give you some free value and free insights on how you can start with drop servicing and how you can generate your first money online with that. So without further ado, make sure to click on this video over here and also visit the first link in the description. But take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.